Okay. Hanji bete, very good morning. I am your social science teacher going to teach you geography section lesson 1, resources and development. And resources and development bete. Under this lesson, we will read the topic conservation of resources. Now you will ask what's the meaning of conservation? Conservation means save, surakhit, to preserve the things for future use. Now, resources. What are resources? Natural things which we are using for daily life to fulfill our needs. What is happening? We are wasting them. We are using them carelessly. And what is the result? The result is that they are getting uh, destroyed. They are getting their amount is getting dimensioned. उनकी जो है हम कहें अमाउंट है वो खत्म हो रही है. Resources are vital for any developmental activity. No doubt they are very important for development. Our life depends on them. But if we are using them carelessly, what will happen? They will finish one day. वो खत्म हो जाएंगी. And what irrational consumption? Consumption means use and overutilization of resources may lead to social, economical as well as environmental problems. Then what will happen? What will the result if we are using them carelessly, if we are wasting them, if we are destroying them? What will happen? We will face so many problems, like social problems, economical problems as well as environmental problems. So what we have to do, we have to save these resources to avoid these problems which will come in future if we are not using resources carefully. So, to overcome these problems, to end these problems, to finish these problems, we have to conserve, we have to save resources at various levels. That is very important. That is significant for development. This had been the main concern of the leaders and thinkers in the past. Those people who are scholars, who are very wise, they know, they always visualize the future problem, that we will face problem if we didn't become wise. अगर हम सियाने नहीं बने थे और या नहीं बनेंगे तो क्या होगा? We will face problems. So to avoid these problems, they suggest some measures. They ask us, they request us to use the resources carefully. For example, Gandhi ji was very apt in voicing his concern about resources conservation in these words. Gandhi ji, you know, he is a great scholar. He has a great knowledge about past, present, as well as future. He is a freedom fighter. He is known as the father of nation, and he said that this earth has everything to satisfy our needs, but very few things to satisfy our greed. According to his opinion, if we use resources carefully, then we can lead our life happily. But if we started to use resources without care, we keep on wasting them, then what will happen? Our development will hamper. हमारी development रुक जाएगी. So we have to become careful to use resources. He plays the greedy and selfish individuals and exploitative nature of modern technology as the root cause of for resources depletion at the global level. And no doubt, technology is required for development. If we are using technology blindly, then what will happen? It will end our resources. It will finish our resources. It will waste our resources. And at global level, our resources will be depleted and finished, and we have to regret that time. So, before regretting, we have to save our resources. He was against mass production. Means he suggested people to produce the goods manually, not with the help of machines. Whenever we are producing goods on machines, that is known as a mass production. That is not good because mass production destroys the resources. and he wanted to replace it with the production by the masses. He advised the people to produce the goods with the uh, hands, mean goods must be produced by masses. It will provide jobs, employment to the people, and it will save the resources also, because human being is wise. He will not waste the resources. He will use only the resources which is required. Otherwise machines are wasting the resources. That's why he said, he advised, he suggested people to produce goods by hands rather than by machines. Apart from it, I want your suggestions to save the resources. You have read many things to save resources, like we have to use 3 hours formula. 3 hours formula means we should reuse the resources, we should reduce the resources, we should recycle the resources, we have to plant more and more trees, we have to pool our cars whenever we are going anywhere, to save petrol, diesel. We should not use plastic bags, because plastic bags are creating problem, environmental problem. We should not use technology blindly, because if suppose we are using mobile phones without any use, without any for just for gossiping or just watching movies for entertainment, then what is happening? Our birds are getting killed. हमारे जानवर जो मर रहे हैं, पंछी मर रहे हैं. The reason being because towers are increasing day by day. If we are using mobile phones or laptops without any business purpose, so what we have to do, we have to be careful to save the resource, to conserve the resource, to preserve the earth, to because the earth is our planet, it is our home. Bete, I think it's clear. Okay, students.